Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has an illuminated star in the grille, AMG line package with the AMG exterior and interior, 19-inch split 5-spoke AMG wheels, black MB text interior with a natural grain gray ash wood trim, panorama sunroof, trailer hitch, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, brand new set of all season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, multimedia package, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 42,428 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.